and para din mas mapabilis yung ating payroll setup. Automatically po, the system will get notified of my time in. It can be accessed to any devices. It could be from PC, laptop, cell phone, or tablet. I'm going to give you a closer view of the payslip. Hi everyone, this is Rose here in BitPos. So in this video, I am going to show you another business solution na mapoprovide ng ating BitPOS MOT application. One of the most common problem for businesses are attendance, at the same time our payroll management. Whatever type of business from small scale, medium scale to large scale corporation, isa yan sa mga tedious task and processes na pagdadaanan talaga ng ating management or ng ating admin. In our BitPOS MOT application here, I am going to show you paano natin gagawin yon to automate and simplify it in a way and para din mas mapabilis yung ating payroll setup. So I have here my tablet. It is installed here yung ating MOT application. I have my credential. Tap ko lang po yung ating login. So once you're gonna log in po, automatically po, we have these 3 line icons on top and then tap lang po natin yung attendance. In our attendance process po, we're gonna do picture taking or in other words, selfie po ng mga employees para mas madali. It only takes 3 to 4 seconds po and then automatically po, the system will record that this employee is already timed in or kung magta-time out man siya. I'll give you an example in my end. My face is already registered here using my BitPos Rose account. Magti-take lang po ako ng picture looking at the camera directly. And then, I just tap this check icon po. Automatically po, the system will get notified of my time in and then magko-confirm po siya if the time in is successful. And as you can see po, the system confirms that time in is successful. Now, since nakapag-time in tayo, the same process will be done if magta-time out naman po yung ating employee. Now, aside from this one po, I am going to show you naman po pagdating naman sa ating payroll setup. So the payroll setup, it's a web-based interface. It can be accessed to any devices. It could be from PC, laptop, cell phone, or tablet like mine. And as you can see po, nakikita na natin yung time in and time out ng ating employee. I can also have here my recordings. I have my employee name BitPos Rose. I can also export this one to Excel. And I can tap here po yung ating create pay where you can see my hourly sales, yung ating hourly rate. So we also have here the daily rate, the 13th month. We also have the contribution for SS PhilHealth and Pag-ibig. CA for cash advance ng mga employee na i-indicate na din natin. And we have here at the bottom part yung bank account niya and of course, yung ating account number. We also have a button here called Save and Print. This setup po ay maaari po natin siyang i-print. In my end po, I used our kitchen printer. Usually kasi po sa ating mga users ng BitPos MOT are food and beverages. If you have your kitchen printer with you po, the ATMM thermal printer po, ito po yung itsura ng ating payslip. I'm going to give you a closer view of the payslip. You can also see there the details kung ano yung kakailanganin po ng usual payslip natin. Okay? So, imagine this solution of automation in one setup using our BitPos MOT app. If you want to know more of how this payroll setup, attendance, facial login works, book an online demo and message us today.